Greetings, Earthlings. Can you guess what I'm going to go do? Huh. I am going to go snorkeling. Not really, because I don't have a snorkel. I'm just going out into the lagoon with Vika and Ulala. They're way out there. They're fishing already. And I'm going to get a lesson on fishing. I did prepare myself to be able to do this, however. I put coconut oil in my hair. Yep, protect it from the salt water so it doesn't dry out and break, because I'm not coming home. I am coming home with long hair, not short hair. And I also put sunscreen on, lots of it. There's a photo that I took of Vika, who has actually papaya ashes slathered all over her skin. And it's black, and that's her sunscreen. So it'll be interesting to see how she actually gets that off. I think I might help her with a little Rhonda Allison pumpkin cleanser that I brought. Love that stuff. All right, well, have a good day. And know I'm thinking of you, because I am. This is Skin Caring Sherry signing off for another adventure.